Roedd Blaze of Glory yn bwysig, Cymraeg.
Funny, emotional.
Quintessentially Welsh.
I thought it was absolutely fantastic, well put together, and it's been an absolute delight.
O'n i'n gwerthfawrogi y talentau oedd yna. Do'n i'n hoffi yn fawr iawn y cyfuno o'r actio, y perfformio, symudiad, yr orchestra, y gerddorfa. Oedd e'n wych. Oedd pob peth yn ardderchog.
Way the whole male voice choirs have been integrated within the whole production. And the story behind it was really, I think, quite moving and very true to Wales and to the valleys.
Oedd y jokes yn dda, yr innuendos yn nhw'n dda, ac o'n i'n caru just y male voice choirs oedd yn stunning.
Didn't really realise what the production was going to be, but it was a lot of fun. The singing was absolutely amazing, and yeah, the overall experience was fantastic. So yeah, I'd recommend anyone to come and see it. It's brilliant.
I think if you haven't been to an opera before, maybe if you're opera curious, this would be a very good kind of gateway into opera. The story is easy to follow, it's in English, the music is beautiful, so I think it's a really good place to start.
Dyle pawb dod I weld y sioe yma. Achos mae'n stori twym, stori Gymraeg, stori neis, a mae'n llawn calon.